Assalamu alaikum, dear 8th class students. So far we talked about rational numbers. We also solved the questions based on the exercises of chapter 1 titled rational numbers. I hope that you have understood all those questions. You have understood all the concepts with regard to the rational numbers, and you have also hopefully practiced all the questions based on the exercises of the first chapter of your uh, textbook, mathematics textbook. Okay, now let us try to understand uh, things about linear equation. Okay, this is chapter 2 of your mathematics textbook, linear equations in one variables. Okay, so let's try to understand everything about linear equation. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, the first thing that you must know is what is equation, right? Okay, equation by equation means you must be aware about algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Algebraic expression means algebraic expression, right? Algebraic expression is a mathematical expression which consists of integer constants, variables, and mathematical operations. Say for example 2x minus 3. This is an algebraic expression. See, this is integer, this is variable, and this is again integer. Okay, so this is an algebraic expression, right? Similarly, x plus 5, this is also an algebraic expression because it is made up of mathematical operations like plus, like minus, variable x. Okay, then there's a constant, integer constant of 5 here. You can see it is 2 here. Okay, and it is 3 here. So such equations, okay, if you encounter such equation, encounter with such equations, all these equations are called as algebraic expressions. Sorry, all algebraic expressions, not equations, right? Now, if we equate these equations, these expressions, if we try to, for example, this is algebraic expression 2x minus 3, for example, if we try to use the sign of equality here, say for example it is equal to 7 or any number, right, or a variable, right, then the algebraic expression becomes an equation. Okay, see for example this is x minus 4. Okay, so we have used the sign, equality sign here, is equal to 3, say for example, right? So then this becomes an equation, right? Now this is an equation. Fine. Okay. Okay, now here you can see a statement which states that two algebraic expressions are equal is called an equation. Now look at this expression. Okay, this is rather an equation. Okay, see on left hand side it is 3x square plus 5, right? On right hand side it is equal to, it is minus x minus 5. Now since this one, it's an algebraic expression and this is also an algebraic expression, now they are equal to each other, okay, indicated by this equality sign. Now these two algebraic expressions, when an equality sign is used between them, now these algebraic expressions are, they have become this equation, right? Similarly, in this case, okay, 3x minus 2y is equal to 8. This is also an equation. Now this, the 6 minus x is equal to x plus 9. This is also an equation. Okay, so the thing that you need to remember is that whenever you equate an algebraic expression, okay, so with any number or with any constant integer or variable, okay, so that algebraic expression turns into an equation, right? Now our motive is to understand that type of linear equation, okay, having only one variable. That's called as linear equation in one variable. Okay, the first thing that you need to know about, okay, this, in order to understand the linear equation in one variable, you need to know what is variable and what is the order of equation, right? Order, what is order of an equation? Okay. Two things, okay, we need to know in order to understand what is linear equation in one variable. First, okay, what is variable? Okay. Second thing, what is order of equation? Okay. See, let's talk about the variable first. Okay, if you can see here, we will take this, say for example, this expression 3x square plus 5. Okay, now look at this. Okay, now look at this, this 5. You know that, okay, what is this 5? Okay, also, you also know what is this 3. Okay, 3 things, 3 biscuits, 5 books. Okay, what does this x mean? X here, x is again a value, but that value, okay, which can be anything. Okay, this x can be, it can be 0, it can be 1, x can be 0, it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be minus 1, it can be minus 2, it can be any integer possible. So that means the value of this varies, it is not constant. That is why this is called as variable, right? Okay, in algebraic expressions, variables are denoted by letters x, y, s, t, etc., etc. So now you can identify the variables in this equation. X is a variable here, right? In this equation, it is x and y, 3x minus 2y. Here two variables are x variable and y variable. Okay, now in this equation the variable is x, right? In this equation the variable is y. In this equation the variable is a, right? Okay, so that is variable for you. Okay, now you know that what is variable. Now another thing is, what is this order, right? Order. Okay, let's try to understand what is the order of an equation. Okay, say for example, this is an equation 4x square minus 2 is equal to 7. Then another equation 3y cube minus 1 is equal to 0. Another equation 3y minus 2 is equal to minus 7. Now three types of equations are there. Okay, first 4x square minus 2 is equal to 7. Okay, now try to identify the variable in this equation. The variable is x. Okay, and x is raised to power by 2 here, x square, right? So in this equation variable is y and the power of y is 3, right? Power of y is 3. And in this equation the variable is y. What is the power of this y? Okay, it is as if there is shown nothing, but the variable is 1. If there is a power less than 1, then that must be shown. For example, y minus 1 or y minus 0. Okay, so since it is not shown, it means the variable is the power of variable is 1, right? So in this first equation the variable is carrying 2 power, and in second the variable y is carrying cube as a power, or means or 3 as a power. Okay, so we can say that now see there is only variable, and this is called as degree of a polynomial. Okay, so that means what is the highest power in this equation? Highest power is 2, so we can say 2 is degree of this equation, right? And what is the degree of this equation? Degree, since highest power is 3, its degree is 3. Okay, and what's the highest power in this equation? It is 1, so degree of. Okay, so the equation having degree 1 is called as the equation of first order. Okay, then if the equation has this square as a power, it is called as equation of second order. Okay, now then if the equation is carrying the cube as a power, highest power, then it's called as equation of third order. Okay, now let's look at these four equations. Okay, in this equation the highest power is 1. In this equation, in the next equation, the highest power is 2. In highest power, right, highest power here is 3. In this, highest power is 4. So we can say that the degree of this equation is 1, the degree of equation this equation is 2, and degree of this equation is 3, and degree of this equation is 4. Similarly, we can call this equation of first order, this second order, third order, and fourth order, right? Now let's come to this. What is linear equation in one variable? Linear equation in one variable means the linear equation must have only one variable. Here we can see the variable is x only, and it must be in first order. So that means the highest power, or we can say degree, must be equal to 1. So this is called as linear equation in one variable. Why linear? Linear equation because it is of first order, degree is 1, right? In this also degree is 1. Okay, and in this equation also the degree is 1, right? So there, then that is called a linear equation in one variable. Okay, now hope that you have understand what is linear equation in one variable. Tomorrow inshallah we will be talking about these properties of equation and how to solve an equation in next lecture. Till then, Khuda Hafiz. Thanks a lot.